Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I have a really cool video in store for you today. This is going to be on a 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trailboss. It's one of those rare GM colors. It's that desert tan. You don't see it as often. Check out the truck. This thing looks awesome. It's got the black hood inserts that I like so much that make everything match. We're going to be doing a 4-inch lift kit, some 35s, and some 20-inch wheels. So stay tuned for this video and let me know what you guys think at the end. Chevy Trailboss lifted. It looks amazing. This truck is that cool desert tan color. I'm not really sure what it's called. You guys always fill me in the comments, so I don't need to look it up myself, but truck looks absolutely phenomenal. This is the first time that I've seen a couple of things on this truck, and I'm a little confused by it, but you know, I see something different every day, and that's how I learn. So we ended up doing a 4-inch Zone lift kit on this truck. Now, if you don't know about Zone is the entry-level brand made by BDS or Fox. Zone is a little bit cheaper than BDS as far as price goes, but it's still a very good quality lift. It comes out of the same factory, so you know, who are we kidding? It's the same parts, really, just not as flashy. We did a wheel on this one, a 20x10 Ultra that looks phenomenal on it, and we did some 35-inch Furies. I'm going to show you the truck. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions about it, leave them in the comments. So just starting out, here's our truck. This is a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trailboss. Here's something special about it. I did not know that you could get a Trailboss in any trim package. So this truck has characteristics of like the work truck. I don't know what else to say about it. It looks amazing. You know, with this plastic in the front, I've never seen that exact grille on these trucks. You see your red tow hooks, that means it is the Trailboss. The other thing that's significant here, look at this headlight. This must be the first set I've ever noticed of this So I have this habit of getting in the trucks. I turn the parking lights on to get that little LED strip to make its flashy on camera thing. But this truck, I did it and there's no LED strip. So I noticed it. This is like the, I guess your standard halogen light. There's no, you know, projector in there, or there's no little LED strip. So very, very strange to see that. It also follows suit if you walk inside or get inside the truck. It has the smaller screen, which I usually don't see. I don't hate it. It's nothing wrong with it, but it just doesn't have that big screen that I'm used to. So that's why I noticed it. Inside the truck looks pretty good. It doesn't have leather or anything. There's a car seat back there. It doesn't have leather. It has cloth seats, which I don't mind. It has the black sunroof, or the black headliner in it, which I really like. So that's the thing I didn't understand about it when I noticed the grill was different. So check out this wheel. This is the Ultra. I don't know which model it is. I'd have to look it up, but this gloss black wheel is phenomenal. When I saw the box say Ultra on it, I was a little bit nervous because they usually don't have a lot of wheels that I like, but I really like this one. 35-inch tires. We did Fury MT2s. This is a entry-level price, but a great tire. Typically, I push Nittos and Toyos when we do 35s on 20s, but I just drove the truck and it seems to drive pretty good. So I'm pretty sure this piece that he put on the hood here is aftermarket. I got to thinking about it a little bit earlier. I don't think this is a factory piece, but it might be. If you have any questions, you know where I'm at. Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. My number here is 678-994-9180, and I appreciate you watching.